step into the Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper grille surround 1 chrome texture 1 black wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches cast aluminum painted bright front bumper, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, manual adjust 4-way driver seat front center seat cushion storage manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat 3 rear seat head restraints, e-lock rear axle, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, class 4 receiver hitch, tires, LT 275/65 R18 CL on off-road and quick order package 25A Tradesman included, engine 5.7 L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission.